How to find videos you watched on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find the list of videos you have watched on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the Facebook app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in the menu section, simply scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. And from the drop down menu, simply tap on Settings. And now, once you are here on the Settings tab, simply scroll down and tap on Activity Log. And here inside the Activity Log, simply look for Activity History and tap on it. Now next, we are going to filter your activity to just videos. So just tap filters and then select categories at the bottom. And from there, simply choose your Facebook activity and then select the second option, which is post. And after that, you can scroll a little bit down and you'll see the section labeled videos you have watched. So simply tap on it and boom. You'll see a full list of all the videos you have watched on Facebook. And that's it. Super easy, right? And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.